Okay, so good afternoon and welcome to this session that is a session that is centered on European projects and the effort that have been carried out by our panelists during this last year. And I would like to show during this panel to you some success story, so some useful lesson learned by our panelists that brought them to have success during their project. So we will start from stories that are related to standards on which the various projects have been built, and with many projects, one after the other, some good results that have been taken by companies, and some very good result that has been also achieved thanks to software reusability and reuse of existing results of other projects. So one after the other, I will invite here to speak our panelists. We will start having our speaker, Marco Manso, that he has more than 15 years experience working in security and defense market, and he will talk to us about an action, very important action, Nexus, in next generation emergency services, and the lesson learned in this context. Then we will start to talk about the work done on standardization by different projects. We will start with Pascal Faure from Acatech, that is an expert in data flow standard, that will describe the effort done during this year with this standard, with many projects, one after the others, and the success of a project that is now coordinating called Models, of which you will see a presentation just after this panel. Then you will see Professor Davide Di Ruscio from University of L'Aquila, that he will explain the work done for software reusability and maybe some of our success story in a project called Osmeter and Crossminer on mining open source repository to find metrics on them. Then Matthieu Pfeiffer from the SME Magellan will explain the success story of standardization related to IP Exact and the success project that have been carried out by Magellan Company. Then you will hear the Softeam, that is also my company, cyber physical system expert, that is Etienne Brosse, and he will explain how the success of